So this lesson is going to be about included sides and angles. It's not a specific section in the textbook, but it's good to review this before we start with sections 4 and beyond. So what does it mean to be included? In the sense of geometry, if we think about sitting in the back seat of a car with two other people, no one likes sitting in the middle because there are people on either side. But the person in the middle is squished between those two other people, and the people on either side are connected by that person in the middle. So when you're thinking about what's included, we would say that the person in the middle, or whatever is in the middle, is considered included between the other two. An included angle is the angle between two sides of a triangle. It can be any angle of the triangle depending on the sides that are given. So if we look at what is drawn, we would say that angle B, or angle ABC, because they are the same thing, is included between segments AB and BC. Notice that the vertex of B is a point in both of the segments. I can also look at the following example. In this example, I see that angle C, or angle BCA, is included between segments BC and CA. So when I'm looking at the angles of the triangle, essentially, I'm just isolating one particular angle. I would say there's a side, the angle that connects them, and then the other side. And our final example would be angle A, or angle CAB, is included between segments CA and AB. And again, notice that the vertex A is between these two segments. It is shared by both of them. When we're dealing with triangle congruency, that is not an accident. Now, we also talk about included sides. An included side is the side between two angles of a triangle. It can be any side of the triangle depending on the angles that I am given. So if we look at the following examples, I start with my angles, angle B and angle C, and I see that segment BC is included between angle B and angle C. Notice that the vertex of each of these angles actually gives me my segment. So if I look at this, I could say that angle ABC and angle BCA are also my angles instead of angle B and angle C, because the vertex, or the point in the middle, is the same, and that gives me my included segment. So if I look at my next example, I have that segment CA is included between angle C and angle A. And again, notice that the vertex actually makes up my segment. So if we apply that to our last example, I can see that segment AB is included between angles A and B. Again, which angle is my included angle depends on the information that I am given. Which side is my included side depends on the information that I am given. So let's look at some examples. So if I look at number 7, it says in triangle CMH, name the angle included by each pair of sides. So here is triangle CMH. I want to look and see the angle that is included between CM and HM. And if I'm really paying attention here, I can look and see that they both share M. But I'm going to trace this just to make sure. So here is segment CM, and here is segment HM. There we go. And I can see that the angle that is created by those sides is angle M. You want to use the fact that M is in both of them as your guide, but you want to make sure that your picture matches. Let's change the color here just to do the next one so that it's a little bit easier to say that's the same color. So now I see CH and MC. So here is CH and here is MC. Wow, that's really bad drawing. That's okay. And I can see that my included angle is C by the picture, but also because they both share point C. Now complete number 9 on your own. If I look at number 10, and I look at the same triangle, triangle CMH, I want to name the side that is included by each pair of angles. So I know that if I have angle C and angle M, well, the side that is included is just segment CM. And if I want to look at angle H and angle C, well, angle H is here, angle C is here, and I know that my segment is going to be HC or CH. And again, you don't really need the picture because H and C are my vertices, that's going to be my segment. C and M are my vertices, that's going to be my segment. Please take a moment now and answer question 12. Please take a moment and answer question 14. I am looking for the angle that's included. I can see that both segments have B, so this should be angle B, but I want to look at the picture and I want to make sure that there is only one angle at B. So here I have BF and BX, and therefore angle B is correct. Please take a moment and answer question 18. So in triangle BFX, I want to name the side included by each pair of angles, and I have angle X and angle F. I know that that should be segment XF because the segment is always created by connecting the vertices, but again, I can look at it here, vertices X to vertices F, which is segment XF. Please make sure to bring any questions you may have to class.